Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Kreators Klub with Kimmi, the podcast where creators, entrepreneurs, and dreamers learn how to turn their knowledge, passion, and creativity into multiple streams of income. I'm your host, Kimmi, and each episode is packed with practical tips on YouTube, podcasting, digital products, online courses, AI, branding, content creation, and building a business that works for you. Whether you're just starting or ready to go to the next level, you're in the right place. So grab your notebook, your favorite drink, and let's create, grow, and build something amazing together. Let's get started. Enjoy. Kimmi, Kreators Klub with Kimmi. How's it going today? Well, listen, I thought I would just hop on live, take a few questions, and just kind of give you a little pep talk when it comes to creating content and using social media to grow your business. Many people are afraid to start doing content. You may say, well, I don't look right. The way I speak is not right. My hair is not right. My hair doesn't look like everybody else's. I'm not as educated as someone else. I'm from the north. I'm from the south. Some things you can do to overcome. I want to give you a few tips to overcome some of your shyness, okay? Because you're making content. You might as well get paid for it. You're making content. I see it all day. I'm watching my friends. Oh, excuse me, guys. See, even that's live. Well, this is live, and I'm making content. So when your live things happen, right? And people, they want the truth. They want authenticity. So it is what it is, okay? I just finished drinking some water. But I watch my friends all day. They're posting their children. I mean, people put some really nice videos out. Okay, very nice videos. They're also posting them at a restaurant or them traveling, different experiences that they're having. You're posting anyway, all this content, but you're not getting paid for it. That makes zero sense to me. So what I'm about on this channel, for those of you who may be new, because we just did a rebranding from Business Life with Kimmi. We still talk all things business, but we're also talking about using content in your business to grow your business. You may cut grass. You may be you may do brows. You may do hair. Social media needs to have a huge presence. So if you're afraid to start, what is my number one recommendation? I'm sure you've heard this before. It's just start. Just show your life. What is it that you're doing? Just talk about something that's natural for you. Okay, it may be, for example, sometimes I'll do like if I'm brushing my hair in the mornings and just have a conversation with my audience, whatever that looks like. Now, it depends on your genre of your people that you're dealing with, right? Your audience. Everyone's audience is going to be different. Okay, everyone's audience is going to be different. So if your audience is such that you're trying to attract people when it comes to their taxes, now they don't want to see you brushing your teeth. You need to be professional and you need to be talking about taxes, okay? But if you're actually doing what we call lifestyle content, it may be I'm out having a cup of coffee. I'm sharing that with people. Hey, welcome. It may be I'm having a cup of coffee. You could just talk about, hey, I'm having a latte, a mocha latte. What type of latte do you like? You want to engage with your audience. So it doesn't always have to be something that's all productive and you have a whole production team, fancy equipment. Just start. And the more and more you practice, you will become better at it. You'll become more comfortable. You'll be able to tell jokes with your audience, if that's the type of audience you have. Some audiences are more serious. They like, hey, get to it. What are we talking about today? Hey, is it Jeremiah? Hey, Jeremiah. Some people want to know, they want to know a little bit about you. So we're actually starting the Kreators Klub coming soon. Hey guys, welcome everybody. And in the Kreators Klub, we will go over how to build out your business account. What type of businesses do you all have that are joining me now? What type of business do you have? Is it a service-based business? Is it an online business? Because I'm all about making that digital money, guys. I'm all about how do I take the knowledge that I have here, turn it into an ebook, turn it into a paperback book. Yes, people still buy paperback books. When I had my first ebook, I took it and turned it into a paperback and people bought it. They bought more paperbacks than they did a digital, and I had no clue. When I was first doing it, me and my husband both were like, yeah, people don't need paperback. They don't read no more. Wrong. Many people like to touch it and hold it. So in addition to doing books, writing courses, people are dying for knowledge nowadays, and they don't want junk knowledge. Okay, those days are over. When I first started selling digital products, I was able to get out there and I could just put anything out, which I never put anything, but I'm just saying I could put a course out and it would sell like hotcakes, right? But now, when you write a digital course, you need to be bringing the information. If you sell somebody a junk course, they are going to leave a review on you. It's going to be bad and you are not going to look good. Okay. So when you're writing your digital course, digital ebook, anything you put out, I don't care if it's paperback, physical products, if you're creating a product, put your best out. Put your best out. Okay. A lot of people have an issue with that. They don't want to put out their best. They figure, I need to sell that. I need to put a price tag on the best. No, you don't. You give out your best product, and then that's how you build trust and confidence with people. And it's still always something to talk about. I have 17 courses in my other program that I'm running. And every week we've been meeting for almost 3 years, a live mentorship program. And there's always something to talk about. So when you are knowledgeable about your craft, you always have something to talk about. So we got a lot of people here. What type of business are you trying to start? Are you trying to make some of this digital money out here? Babies have YouTube channels. Why not you? People are watching babies do stuff. They're watching the people eat. It's all kind of way to make money in this digital space. So that's what I'm about on Kreators Klub with Kimmi. Is trying to help some of these older people who are afraid of social media. They're afraid to show their face. They're afraid to tell their business. But we're doing it anyway. Why not get paid for it? Why not get paid for it? So I am live. So if you have any questions about your business, I'll be more than happy to deep dive that with you for a few minutes. Are you trying to walk in this digital space? What type of businesses do we have? What type of businesses do we have? I had another little thing I was going to share with you all. I had someone, I was looking to get some plumbing work done. And the guy, I looked at 2 people on the internet. One person did not have a website. I'm looking for his website. I want to see some work that he's completed. So if you have a business and you don't have a website, you got a problem. Okay. Now, can you start your business without a website? You can, but eventually you do need a website. You do need a website. And depending on what type of business you have, like in that case, it was a plumber. He needs to be doing social media, in my opinion, if he wants to grow. He was already doing well because he had a lot of reviews. But next level is getting out here content. Some content that a plumber might be able to show is him repairing a sink. And it's something you're already doing. So that's the other thing when it comes to being shy or scared. You don't have to be. Just whatever your element is, what you're already doing is what you want to do to do your content. You don't have to think too far out the box, okay? You don't have to think too far out the box. If I'm already baking chocolate chip cookies, I'm just going to start rolling the camera. I'm just going to roll the camera and say, hey guys, these are my ingredients. A nice greeting. Welcome to my cooking channel, where I bake chocolate chip cookies. A brief introduction. Show the people what you do. That's content. They're going to ask you questions about it. Well, how long do you bake it? How long do you do this? And that's how you're going to end up growing your brand also. So we're talking a little bit about everything. But you can grow your brand that way also, because as your audience is asking you questions, they're telling you what they need. I have created so many products just from that. I start out doing one thing and then my clients are like, or in my comments, they're asking me about something else. So I'm able to go in the comments and say, oh, I think they need a course on this, or, oh, they need a digital book on this or a product. Okay. So we got to start listening. Talking and listening, 2 problems we all have. Most of us talk too much and we don't listen. So listen to your audience to see what it is that they actually want from you. Hey, Stitch Hannah, how are you? What type of business do you have? I have a few minutes to do a little coaching. So I'm Coach Kimmi for those of you who may not know. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. I appreciate it. I'm Coach Kimmi, and what I do is I teach entrepreneurs and content creators. You work at McDonald's. Okay. What is it that you would like to do in this digital space? Are you interested in making money in a digital world? because everything's going digital. That's what I'm all about over here, is helping people to create content that will help them to turn it into cash. Okay, all of us are creating content. Many of you have channels already. You doing Instagram, TikTok, and showing stuff, dancing, ha ha ha. But you ain't making no money, no money. So that's what I do, is teach people. So what is it that you like to do, Stitch Hannah? What are you interested in? So what I do is I like to develop what it is that you're interested in, what brings you joy, what's your passion, and then let's take that passion and turn it into cash. Okay, because a lot of us have ideas, but we don't know how to execute. That's what I'm good at. I'm good at executing. Okay, I'm good at taking you from zero to where you need to be. I'm interested in singing, but right now I have to get my money up. Okay, so are you going to be singing in choirs? Are you going to be doing singing for yourself? What kind of singing or singer are you trying to be? Are you want to go on a cruise ship? What is it that you want to do? And a good way to start doing that is on social media. Believe it or not, if you're that good, you can start a channel, and that's how many singers have been found. Many singers have been found. It may be Singing with Hannah. Watch me live every day at 7, and people are watching you. They go tell somebody, the right person. All it takes is one person. Or I just want to make people happy. Are you interested in doing it on social media? And see, that's another thing, Stitch Hannah, and I'm not being shady with you, but something else we need to consider is when we talk about just doing stuff to make people happy, if you're financially well off where you could afford to do that, fine. But I'm all about, let's take our ideas, let's take our passion and turn it again into cash. A lot of us are doing too many things for free. Too many things for free. It's a lot of money out here. Could you be doing teaching lessons, teaching other people how to sing? You know, so I really want us to change our mindset. It's nothing wrong with giving, nothing wrong with charity work. You know, if you want to go to a senior facility and do a little song for them during the holidays, or plan something, you know, during the summer, it's like a little summer fest at a senior home to get some practice. But I want us to take that practice and turn it into passion, turn that passion into cash. Okay, it's too much money in this digital space out here that we are just leaving on the table. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how to turn some of your ideas, some of your passions into cash, check out the Kreators Klub, Kreators Klub with Kimmi.com. All K's, Kreators, then Club with a K, with Kimmi with a K. .com. And actually in the link you can see the in the description box rather. So I want us to take these passions, and I'm happy you have something that you enjoy doing. And yes, singing does make people happy. We all love a good song, right? So I would tell you in the meantime, practice your skill, you know, keep learning, watch other YouTubers, but you can take that passion even for singing and turn it into something. You really can. You really can. There are other people who want to know, how did you get started? You know, what is your journey like? People are very interested. People are interested in people. And a lot of people may say, well, we got AI, so it's not as important. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. AI cannot replace people. It cannot. And I love me some AI. I have an AI course in the Kreators Klub because you do need AI in order to do your business effectively. So I have that also. So we'll be going over some AI stuff here. We'll be going over website building. We'll be going over everything you need. And all of this goes to your content, because you need all of these different things to create your content or to present your content. Okay. So I need to head out of here, but I just wanted to hop on for a moment. Again, I am Coach Kimmi, and I teach entrepreneurs and small business owners how to maximize everything, their talents and their skills, turn it from a passion to making cash. Let's go. All right, guys, until next time, keep creating. Bye. All things related to creators, check it out, Kreators Klub with Kimmi.com. Bye, guys. Thanks for hanging out, and much success to you, Stitch Hannah. See ya. Bye. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today on the Kreators Klub with Kimmi. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to follow the podcast and share it with another creator who could use a little inspiration. For even more training, resources, and step-by-step guidance, visit creatorsclubwithkimmi.com. Join our growing community of creators. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to get started. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep building. The life and business you're dreaming of is right around the corner. Until next time, I'm Kimmi, and I'll see you in the next episode of the Kreators Klub. Keep on creating.